All right. So going into the day, we have NQ is the more bullish pair, which closed displacing on the off market open. The 5 minute, I don't trade the first 5 minutes of open, so I'm not going to take something like this, as it will be me chasing price. But we could take the draws on liquidity off open right here, or we could reject and maybe find a short to let in low, which I'm not really trying to short due to the high time frame. Look, we've been in this 4 hour gap, huge 4 hour gap, just wicking it, rejecting to go lower. But yeah, if we do sweep out this high and get something like a reversal with clear displacement, I could be interested in taking a short. Looks like we have an SMT at the highs. We have London low below. We swept this high, creating an SMT on the S just now. Let's see where the SMT is. SMT is right here. SMT. But we've been respecting bullish PD arrays, such as this 50-minute gap and created equal lows down here, but rejected out of this gap and selling up, or been buying up, selling down, retrace. Now we're getting that buying power up. The only thing that's sketching me out in this trade, if I were to target lower, is this 15-minute gap. We had news at, let me refresh my Forex Factory, 8:30 a.m. Seems like NQ is actually the more bearish pair. Yeah, that low right there. Oh, did not mean to do that. But yeah, we just swept up this high right now. Now we're getting this sell off here. But yeah, I'm liking this sell off right here. This is a point of reversal right here. I'm obviously not going to take the first candle that I see, but it is a rejection candle, which opens my eyes up to shorts. We have London lows down here that I'm willing to target. But I can see us coming down here, manipulating off open, sweeping out these highs on the hourly. Overall bearish, but yeah, we haven't confirmed yet. ES is looking indecisive. ES is chopped, but oh shit. looking like we could want to sell off here. Like strongly. Okay. This is our first type of confirmation right here. We're gonna wait for super clear indication that we want to go lower before we think about taking a short, because we have this split reversal right here. I don't want to trade that. Take a short into that. Yeah, I'm not gonna FOMO into a trade here. I'm gonna be patient. Just gonna sit here. But off the hourly, what we're doing is we're sweeping highs. Let me go on the 4 hour. Yeah, this is why I don't like to jump the gun here, because we could do something like that. It's looking like ES is actually more bullish there. I was wrong. One minute is fried on ES. Nothing really confirmed enough for me to start looking for an entry. I honestly like this rejection on NQ. Sweeping out the highs on the 15 minute. Starting to get a sell off. But honestly, just gonna sit on the higher time frames. Wait for something to confirm. Like low key, if we look, what we've been doing is we've been rejecting out of this gap, and this is a huge gap. So we're low key, like it's inevitable that we're gonna fill this gap. So it's not impossible for us to come down. Yeah. I really want to see how the 15 minute closes, which is in the next 5 minutes. That's going to be interesting. Okay, just closed. 5 minute, close bullish on this one. Close bullish on this 5 minute. If you pay attention to this, we didn't even take out this low, which is kind of like sketching me out. That's why I wanted to wait for more confirmation. Yes, it's looking so ass, bro. NQ swept this high. Like, what am I even looking at, bro? This shit is so fried. Bro, my keyboard's like broken. Does seem like we have low resistance liquidity right here that we could want to come up, take out. We're just not moving the cleanest right now. Like, sure, we're about to have something like this, but like, what retrace though? I would need some sort of retrace in order for me to take something like this, but it seems like we're just gonna take the draw. I don't know how to feel about this entry. Could have like a loose confirmation type of entry. Take it to this next draw. big reactions out, and I'm interested. Okay, that's pretty clean. All right, I'm in here, honestly.
Order filled.
I like this. I like this because overall we are bullish. Really don't like how targets look lower, as they were rejecting out of this 4-hour gap. Have a protected stop here. Actually, wait, do we? Yeah, we do. Set this 50-minute. I thought I fucked up for a second. Yeah, I like the target higher. It honestly makes sense for us to go higher. We're respecting this 1-minute gap. I want to see a reaction out. And I want to see us push higher here. The 50-minute close bullish. Looks like we got a strong retrace there. Now we shouldn't come lower. We should just flip out aggressively if this is meant to play out. All right,
Stop filled.
There. Honestly, I'm not really sure. I was just relying on this play to run. Maybe I could have placed my stop a little bit more protected. We lost 418 on the day. Dang, that sucks. Okay, took a loss. Now we're gonna journal this. I want to see that play